we've been waiting to hear from. He's recognized for 1:20.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. You'll always be waiting to hear from me because I'm the most junior member of the committee. I'd like to thank the chairman for calling this important hearing. And, you know, the 5 bills we're going to talk about today are going to be addressing some of the most burdensome parts of the Dodd-Frank bill that are having a negative impact on jobs in our country. Specifically, the proposal that I have brought forward deals with the asset-backed securities market. It's the Asset-Backed Market Stabilization Act of 2011. Last year in Dodd-Frank, the credit rating agencies were basically held liable for potential shareholder lawsuits, and as a result of that, the Securities and Exchange Commission had to issue 2 no-action letters to get the asset-backed securities market moving again, and unfortunately, that's not a way to make things work. We can't have laws on the book and have regulatory agencies saying we're not going to enforce this law. So I think there's a better way to move forward. I know Mr. Sherman earlier talked about the conflict of interest, and I think we need to deal with both of those things long term, and we're looking at making some changes that may deal with a little more of that in this bill. But this bill will basically do away with Section 939G of the Dodd-Frank bill and go back to the old 436G rule that the SEC had. It'll help folks like Ford, like Honda, that's in my district, that employs about 4,400 people in my district and built 400,000 cars last year. This is a way to finance the creation of things and make sure that we continue to have jobs in this country. I look forward to hearing the witnesses, and I appreciate the opportunity to bring this bill forward. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I yield back.
The gentleman yields back.